Hello trophies, it's Trophy Steffi. Welcome to this 15-minute bodybuilding routine to music here for our YouTube subscribers. I'll be jumping on my JumpSport 350 Pro rebounder with a standard handlebar. As always, we want you to nose breathe throughout the entire routine. Feel free to modify any move you need to, or even modify the pace or the intensity in order to honor your nose breathing fitness. If you are on the beat of the song and you're looking for more of a challenge, you could always flex into the muscles more, the upper body, the core, the lower body. You could stretch a little further. You could increase the height of the bounce, or you could practice even better posture and precision in your symmetry. This always advances the move. 15 minutes bodybuilding to music starts now. Here we go. Starting with posture jump. I want you to brace your core. Lengthen through the spine. Chin level. Shoulders back and down. Reach the arms. Get as tall as possible while we're gently bouncing here with the core muscles engaged. Wiggle your fingers. Shoulder rolls forward. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Feel free to touch the bar with every rotation forward if you need to. Stand up a little taller. Shoulder rolls back, here we go. Back twist is next. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Twist, twist. Let's sink into the twist a little bit deeper. Cat-cow is next. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Forward and back. Bring your chin forward and then tuck it. Forward and tuck it. 4 more. Neck stretching. 3, 2, 1. Let's bring the bounce down, chin to chest. Rotate the head to the side, bring it down. To the other side, and bring it down. To the other side, reach it up, bring it down. To the other side, reach it up. Now facing forward, bring up the bounce again, and reach with the arms. Bring the palms down, stretch through the wrists. Palms up, push. Twist through the arms, and twist in the other direction. Chest flies, here we go. Open, open. Just a gentle fist in each palm. See if you can relax it into the stretch. Open, open, great. Ballet stretch is next. Here we go, bring it up, down, down. Chin level, shoulders stay back. Let's go a little deeper. Let's stretch into the quads next. Butt kicks, here we go. Keep the chest up. Core muscles are still braced and firm. Bring the knees wide, stretch, stretch, stretch. Bring the knees in, stretch, stretch, stretch. Forward kicks, here we go. You can point the toes and hinge forward just a little bit. Feel the stretch through the hamstrings and the glutes. Side to side kicks. 3, 2, 1. Keep now this back straight. Activating through the waist. Opening the hips. Lengthening through the inner thighs. Back kicks. 3, 2, 1. Keep the chest up. You can lean into each kick with your shoulder, creating more flexibility in your entire lower back. Hacky sack. 3, 2, 1. Brace your core up, up. Stretching through those hips and glutes. See if you can kick a little higher. Now, let's squeeze those glutes. So let's gently bounce. Bring your hips forward and squeeze. Just hold the squeeze. See if you can squeeze a little harder. A little harder. Yes. Just a little bit harder. Good. 3, 2, 1. Release, gentle twist. Let's do a mid bounce so we can really twist deeply and gently into the lower back. Crisscross jump is next. 3, 2, 1. Open, cross, cross, cross. Now, spine tall, chin level. You can be up in the balls of the feet, or you can stay flat in your feet. It's up to you. Let's do our flutter kick over to the side. I want your standing leg foot glued to the mat. Release the hip, the glute, the thigh, the knee, the shin, the ankle, the calf, the foot, the toes. Switching sides. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Keep those core muscles engaged. Next up, we're going to do bottoms up. So let's go ahead and bring our feet to a wide stance, hinging at the hips slowly. Use your bar. Hands on the rim of the rebounder. Lift the glutes, gently bounce into the extension of the backs of the legs. Now, let's go a little deeper. And let's slowly stand up and face forward. And now out, in, and let the upper body join in. Chest up, palms facing down. Let's put a gentle squeeze in the upper body and the core muscles. You could even go into those thighs and squeeze. So full body, gentle squeeze. Reach those arms, reach, reach, reach. Full body activation. Nose breathing. Now, hands on the bar. And I want you to bring the bounce up. Don't worry about the beat of the song. Let's finish it off with some higher impact bouncing to really activate, strengthen, and prepare. For the next song, we're gonna focus on the lower body. You could thrust the arms down. Just want you to be safe. So hold the bar if you need to. Next up, living room legs to begin. Out, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in. Stay right here. Every foot lands flat into the mat, making sure the heels are getting a lot of action. Back straight, core firm, chin level. Bend those knees to the desired thigh activation, keeping your mouth closed. We're gonna switch it up. I want you to bend forward now, keeping your hands on the bar, but just reach the glutes behind you. Like that, keeping the chest up, chin level, stretching those glutes. That's the goal. Feel the extension and the expansion of the glute muscles. And the stronger you get here, and the more mobile you get, the more precise you'll become. Here we go. Stagger walk is next. Bring your foot forward and back, and straighten up the back. Bend those knees. Let's challenge the legs. Chin level, core braced. You can always squeeze into the muscles if you need more of a challenge. Making sure that back foot is landing flat too. And we're gonna switch positions in 3, 2, 1. Other foot forward. Feeling the entire lower body activating. Don't forget, you can squeeze into those muscles if you're looking for more of a challenge. Let's release any extra tension in the neck. Form over speed. Next up, we're gonna bring our feet to the center of the mat and keep up with the steps. Here we go. Good. See if you can connect your mind to your quads. Make this a little bit more quad focused, even though the heels are still in contact with the mat with every step. Just feel into the quads. See if you can flex into the quads. Good. Yes. Just making sure your back is straight. So there's just the right amount of pressure on the knees. And now let's focus on the glutes. Just a little hip hinge. And stretching those glutes. Just visualize them expanding behind you, lengthening. The more we lengthen, the more activation. And use your bar. Hold it however you can to stay in perfect symmetry. Let's get into squat walk next. Toes wide, chest back up, back straight. So now we're working on flexibility in the hips. Bring your knees open a little bit more. Every foot landing is a flat foot landing. Go deeper into this stretch. Good. Stay here. See if you can just visualize your knees getting a little bit more and more and more open and flexible. Now, we're gonna bring the toes so they're facing inward, and we're gonna focus on the glutes just for the end of the song. 4, stick out the glutes. 3, 2, one more song. 3, 2, 1. And we're gonna bounce to the beat. Core brace, chest up, palms together. I want you to flex your upper body muscles, your core. You could even go down into the thighs and squeeze those too. This can be full body activation. And just make the bounce gentle so you can stay stable and just keep your flex body in motion. Stay right here. Keep pushing. We're gonna switch it up and we're gonna do pull aparts with our hands. So pull. Core firm. We're squeezing into the upper body, maybe even the legs. We're gonna switch hand grips. 3, 2, 1, here we go, switch. Pull apart, here we go. Core firm, teeth closed. Keep pulling, pull, keep going. Good, we're switching it up to tricep reach. Squeeze the arms into your torso and reach those arms. Now lift them, squeeze and reach. Core firm. Jaw is parallel to the ground. Lift it up. Good. Going back to pull aparts next. Here we go, pulling apart. Core is firm. This is so strengthening. Just practice perfect form and symmetry. Keep pulling. We're gonna switch hand grips. Here we go. Pull. Chest press, here we go. Pushing the palms together. I want you to visualize that you are showing your muscles to someone. Flex them, squeeze them, full body, at least the core and the upper body. Keep pushing. Use the push to activate your muscles. Teeth closed. Keep pushing. We're staying here. Push. Chest up. Switching back to tricep reach. 3, 2, 1. Squeezing into the torso, lifting and lengthening. The more you reach, the more you lift, the more you squeeze, the more intense it gets. Almost finished. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That is a wrap. Let's do a little bit of health bounce. Shake out the arms. Back twist. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Cat-cow. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. 3, 2, 1. Amazing job, everyone. I'm so happy for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are interested in the 35-minute version of this bodybuilding routine, guess what? We have this routine plus 3 more 35-minute bodybuilding routines to music available in a bundle for sale on our website. The price is an absolute steal. 4 amazing 35-minute all-leveled routines to music. Definitely go grab your bundle, and there are other bundles available for you to purchase if you're interested. Thank you again for being here. And just so you know, this routine and more is available in our memberships here on our YouTube channel. Just go to the join button and choose between the rhythm membership and the trophy membership. This routine is available in our lower priced membership. We really hope you join. Thanks again for being here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and we want your feedback. Leave us a comment below. Just tell us anything you want to tell us. You could check in for this routine. 15 minutes in the books. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.